Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of fractions. This is 6th question of its exercise 7.6. So the question says that a piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece was 1 by 4 meter long. How long is the other piece? So हमें given है total length of wire, हमें given है 7 by 8 meter. Then one piece was 1 by 4 meter long. So length of one piece of wire given है 1 by 4 meter. Then I will find out how long is other piece. Then length of other piece of wire. So I think total length of wire minus length of one piece. So there are 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. So firstly से हम like fraction में convert कर लेंगे 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4 into 2 by 2. So there are 7 by 8 minus 2 by 8. So denominator सेम है, so numerator directly subtract हो जाएंगे. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 by 8 meter. So length of the other piece of wire is 5 by 8 meter. Thank you.